Okay, so just a short update this week because things haven't gone exactly to plan. Because I started out with the DDPG algorithm, and I found a code online which I tried, and I really struggled with it. And in the end, I gave up on the DDPG algorithm and started looking using SAC instead. Now I haven't gotten very deep into understanding how SAC works, but I can see straight away that it's just much more promising. So for this week, I'm just gonna show where I am now with just using SAC and see. Yeah, so that's it for this week. Just a short video update where I am, and next week something more interesting to show. Hopefully. Okay, let's go to the model. Okay, so in the two episodes we're now gonna see, which are the two best episodes I found, you can see that it is starting to learn. The SAC algorithm is starting to learn how a strategy for how to balance the pendulum at the top. Yeah, you can just play it. Okay, in the beginning it's just swinging wildly, but wait for it. Yeah, now you can see it has good speed towards the top, then it slows down quite rapidly, and sometimes it managed to balance the pendulum for a little while at the top. It isn't much, but it is some. Yeah, you can see now and then it managed to keep it at the top for a little while. Let's watch another episode. Yeah, and by the way, the code for the SAC algorithm I've just borrowed from Machine Learning with Phil's website and plugged in my own model. Yeah, now it's just swinging out there. Now and then it tries to stop at the top and balance it. I think it's gonna be a little easier with the actual mechanical model, but I want to spare that as long as I can. Figure out this whole algorithm, and next week I want to go into detail about how this algorithm works. This week I can't because I don't know it yet. So I probably didn't make it very easy on myself. I can start it again by how I designed this. You see that the outer pendulum is very short, but it was difficult to get it any other way. I have actually glued a small nut at the end of this blue outer pendulum, so it actually does behave like a pendulum. But if it was longer, it would be easier. But also bear in mind that all the mechanics are made with Technic Lego, so it's all a bit wobbly. So if it was longer, it would have been wobblier. So it's a trade-off. But this SAC algorithm is looking very promising, but I need to understand it and log some metrics while tuning the hyperparameters. But I have to understand what I'm logging. So I think that's it for this week. See you next week.